Hello, I am Amal Al-Nabhan. Today I will talk in my presentation about obesity and oxidative stress. My presentation contents are introduction, obesity, oxidative stress, association between obesity and oxidative stress, and result. Introduction to the obesity is the dominant international public health hazard and economic gushing. The currency of overweight and obesity has increased rapidly. The latest World Health Organization estimates that 1.6 billion adults aged 15 years and above were overweight and 400 million were obese in 2005. What is the definition of obesity? Overweight and obesity defined as body mass index, BMI, the weight in kilograms divided by the square of the height in meters, less than 25 and less than 30 respectively. There are a relationship between obesity and premature death through increased risk of many chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Obesity is a crucial nutritional problem. It increases the risk of morbidity from many pathologies, such as hypertension, dyslipidemia, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, stroke, non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, osteoarthritis, sleep apnea, and endometrial, breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Obesity is described as excessive fat accumulation that may affect on health and increase mortality. The current classification of obesity is based on the body mass index BMI. When the BMI above 30 kilograms square meter or more is index of obesity, while a BMI over 25 kilograms square meter is index of overweight. Causes. Extra fat accumulation is a ascent of positive energy balance that results from interaction between many factors like diet, increased intake of energy-dense food, and decreased intake of food rich in micronutrient and bioactive compounds. Decreased physical activity, nutritional and hormonal status in early life, as well as genetic, environmental, cultural, and economic factors. Other etiological factors that are associated with obesity are some chromosomal aberrations, such as Prader-Willi syndrome, hormonal pathologies such as Cushing's disease, hypothalamic lesion or tumors, and drugs such as steroids and antidepressants. Now we will talk about oxidative stress. Many natural biological processes in our bodies, such as breathing, digestion, food, metabolize alcohol and drugs, and turning fats into energy, produce harmful compounds called free radicals. Free radicals are usually destroyed by our body's natural antioxidant system. If this system is not copied properly, free radicals can trigger a negative chain reaction in the body, a reaction that can destroy the cell membrane, block the action of major enzymes, prevent cellular process necessary for proper functioning of the body, prevent normal cell division, destroy DNA, and block energy generation. And as a result, we can say the oxidative stress is the imbalance between free radical and antioxidant in the body. Now we will talk about association between oxidative stress and obesity. Oxidative stress can be a consequence, but also a trigger of obesity. Chronic hypernutrition, high fat, high carbohydrate meals, as well as high dietary saturated fatty acids and trans fatty acids stimulate intracellular pathways, leading to oxidative stress. stress through multiple biochemical mechanisms, such as superoxide generation from NADPH oxidases, oxidative phosphorylation, glyceraldehyde autooxidation, protein kinase C activation, and polyol and hexosamine pathways. And reactive oxygen species ROSR maybe have the ability to control the body weight by exerting different effects on hypothalamic neurons that control satiety and hunger behavior. Systemic oxidative stress is also play important role in the pathogenesis of obesity-related diseases, including atherosclerosis, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. How to decrease the oxidative stress in obesity? There are some methods can lower oxidative stress in obesity, such as weight loss, physical activity, and antioxidant-rich diet. It is known that weight reduction decreases oxidation markers, increases antioxidant defenses, and improves the metabolic and cardiovascular risks related to human obesity. It is well established that a diet rich of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, fish, olive oil, and dairy fermented food is helpful to maintain weight and reduce the incidence of metabolic diseases. High fat deposition is factually related to redox unbalance. Childhood overweight and obesity have been linked to high levels of oxidative stress. Altered antioxidant defenses are also observed in obese people. As a result of some studies that the serum paraoxonase 1 activity is decreased in obese subjects. A decrease in paraoxonase 1 activity seems positively correlated with BMI and irreversibly correlated with high-density lipoprotein levels. As obesity is linked to oxidative stress, antioxidant supplementation should be useful to prevent or slow down progression of associated pathologies. Although several investigations have underlined the ability of vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene supplementation to improve oxidative stress, inflammation, and metabolic risk factors. In this figure, we can see the causes of oxidative stress and its relationship with obesity. As a result of my presentation, the obesity is a crucial nutritional problem. It increases the risk of morbidity from many pathologies. Oxidative stress could play a causative role in the development of obesity by stimulating white adipose tissue deposition and changing food intake. Can lower oxidative stress and obesity by weight loss, physical activity, and antioxidant-rich diet. Thank you for listening.